In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add time on event Google Calendar color code. By the end, you'll know how to set a precise time for an event and apply a color so it stands out at a glance. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser and signing in. On your calendar, you can adjust the time for either a new event or one that's already there. To keep things simple, we'll work with an existing event. Click the event on your calendar to open its preview, then select the edit option, which looks like a small pencil. This takes you into the full event editor where you can make detailed changes. Inside the editor, look for the Find a Time tab. This view is helpful because it lays your day out in a timeline, making it easy to spot open slots and avoid overlaps. Click on the time you want your event to start and set the time block. If you need the event to last more than 1 hour, hold the Control key on your keyboard and drag the bottom edge of the event block downward to extend it. On a Mac, you can use the Command key while dragging. This gives you precise control over the event's duration without having to type in times. Once the start and end times look right, switch back to the main event section so you can color code it. Near the event details, find the small colored circle. This opens the event color options. Pick the color that best fits the type of event you're scheduling. For example, you might choose one color for meetings, another for focus time, and another for personal tasks. Consistent color choices make your calendar easier to scan, especially on busy days. With the time set and the color selected, click Save to apply your changes. If you're editing an event with guests, you may be prompted to send updates. Choose the option that fits your situation. After saving, you'll see the event on your calendar at the exact time you set, highlighted in the color you chose, making it easy to spot and manage alongside everything else you've got scheduled. That's it. You've added a specific time to an existing event, extended its duration when needed, and applied a color code for quick visual organization. If you want to repeat this on another event, follow the same flow. Edit, find a time, adjust the duration, choose a color, and save. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.